Welcome to Kali Linux Tutorial for Beginners, where you learn essential skills that any ethical hacker needs. My name is Tariq and I'll be leading you throughout this course. I graduated with a master's in 2005 in information security, and shortly after I began a career as an ethical hacker or as a penetration tester. Over the past 12 years, I've consulted for some of the biggest companies that you've heard of, or that you probably didn't hear of. I now look after the security of a very complex network that is used daily by thousands of users. I designed this course for anyone wanting to get started with Kali Linux, the Linux built for ethical hackers. By the end of this course, not only you will be comfortable using Kali Linux, but you will be able to transfer your skills to be very comfortable using pretty much any Linux flavor out there. We will begin with the absolute basics to make sure that you're comfortable using any Linux system. Then, we'll turn you into a power user who can do things well beyond what an average everyday user can do. And then finally, we're going to use these new skills to build up a Linux target from scratch, and then using Kali Linux, we're going to hack it. It's going to be a lot of fun. The ideal student for this course is somebody with basic networking and hacking skills. Nothing fancy here, I'm just talking about your basic port scanning, vulnerability scanning, basic exploitation. Things that I teach in the other beginners courses. And again, I'd like to emphasize that no Linux experience is required whatsoever. Feel free to look at the course description for the breakdown of topics, and when you're ready, hit the enroll button and join our Hackers Academy family. I look forward to seeing you on the other side.